Tonight, another shooting in Providence.
A man is seriously wounded while sitting on a friend's front porch. And tonight, an eyewitness tells us the victim dove in front of the bullet to save a girl from being shot.
Now, this latest shooting happened just after midnight on Althea Street in the West End. And it comes just 2 days after a pair of separate shootings in the capital city, one of which proved to be deadly.
Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly joins us live now with the Providence Mobile Newsroom.
Yes, a 39-year-old man is in intensive care at Rhode Island Hospital tonight with 2 gunshot wounds as the police look for 2 men they say are responsible. It happened just after midnight here in the West End of Providence. The police say 2 men wearing black hoodies and bandanas over their faces got out of a car and walked up to a porch on Althea Street and fired 2 shots. They say both bullets hit 39-year-old Jeffrey Douglas. A woman named Stacy told Eyewitness News he's a lifelong family friend and that he was on the porch with her 17-year-old daughter and her 12-year-old niece. But Stacy paints a more violent picture. She says both men had guns and that they fired a total of 5 or 6 shots, not just 2 shots.
All of a sudden you heard a gunshot and everybody jumped up off the porch and started running in the house. And the older guy, my friend, he dove over my daughter and he took a bullet for my daughter. He took 2 bullets for my daughter. And right now he's in intensive care. And my niece, she had no place to run. She fell on the floor so that bullets wouldn't hit her. And there was a gentleman in the driveway. He shot right through my living room window. 1 bullet went flying right by my ear and hit the wall behind me. And another bullet went flying through the window frame and hit 2 walls, went through 2 walls and went into the next bedroom.
Stacy says she doesn't know why the 2 men showed up firing guns.
None of us have problems with anybody. We all go to work every day. We sit on our porch with our family.
Stacy says both bullets hit Jeffrey Douglas in his left arm. One of them stayed there. The other went through his arm and into his abdomen. That's why he's in intensive care. Live at police headquarters with the Providence Mobile Newsroom, Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.